Everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make macaroni cheese, popularly known as mac and cheese. So if you're interested in learning how to make mac and cheese, very easy to put together, please keep watching. If you're new here, you've not subscribed, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you're not going to miss out. Do not forget to leave your comment and give me a big thumbs up. If possible, share this video with your friends and family. Thank you as you do so. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is to cook the macaroni. I have my pot in the high heat. To that I'm adding boiled hot water. Then I'm going to add 2 packs of macaroni, which is 400 gram each, in total 800 gram. And I'm going to be cooking it for 5 to 7 minutes. I'm going to add some salt, mix it together, cover it with the lid, and allow it to cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Please, you don't want to overcook your macaroni at this stage. You want to cook it halfway done because you're still going to be baking in the oven. So I'm going to cover it with the lid. These are all the cheese I'm going to use to cook the mac and cheese. Here I have mozzarella, my cheddar, and red cheddar. After 7 minutes, this is what it looks like. Next, I'm going to wash the macaroni in the sink with cold water to stop the macaroni from cooking. If you don't do that, the macaroni will still be cooking and you don't want that. Next step is to make the white sauce. I have my pan in a medium high. To that, I'm going to add 2.5 tablespoons of butter. After adding the butter, next is to add 4 tablespoons of plain flour, which I added 3. I didn't know my camera was not recording. So at this time, I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon. So in total, 4 tablespoons, which I added into the butter. So next, I'm going to be adding whole milk. And with the whole milk, you don't want to add everything at once. You want to add a little bit and mix. So next, I'm going to change to a whisk and keep mixing. As I'm mixing, I'm adding the milk, and with the milk I'm using about 1 liter of milk. As you can see, there's a lot of lumps in the sauce. I'm going to be mixing with the whisk until the lumps disappear. You want to mix and mix until there's no longer lumps and you're left with a smooth sauce. Very smooth. So this is the consistency you should be going for, something very runny. At this point, I'm going to be adding some salt. So I'm going to add some pink salt. So that much. Then I'm going to add some black pepper. That much. Then I'm going to add white pepper, just about half a teaspoon, and I'm going to add some smoked paprika. Then I'm going to mix together. This tastes so nice. Amazing. At this time, I'm going to add all the cheese into the white sauce, and I've turned my heat off. As soon as you want to add your cheese, you want to turn your heat off. And if you notice, I'm using 3 types of cheese. I have the red cheddar, then I have the mild cheddar, then I have the mozzarella. But you can use any cheese of your choice. You can even just use one cheese. So at this point, just feel free to use any cheese of your choice. You don't have to use what I use. This is just what I like to use. So after adding the cheese, I'm also going to mix until the cheese is well mixed with the sauce and it just melts into the sauce. Then I'm going to add it into the macaroni. And I didn't add all the cheese. I left some of it, which I'm going to show you what I'm going to use it for. And look at that sauce. Do you see that? Yummy, yummy. Here I have the macaroni in the pot. The next step is to add the sauce into the macaroni. But with the sauce, I'm not going to be adding all of it. I'll add some and mix until it's well combined with the macaroni. You want to mix this really well. So after mixing, I wasn't satisfied. I added more sauce and also mix. This is what it's looking like now. So I added more sauce and mix. You want to mix this really well. At this time, I taste and I needed more salt. I added some pink salt, but you can use any salt of your choice. After adding the salt, I mix until it's well combined. Then I transfer to a baking tray, a foil tray. You can use a baking tray if that's what you have, but I prefer to use this foil tray because it's easy. I don't need to do any washing. So transfer into the foil tray for baking. Before transferring your mac and cheese to the oven, you want to preheat your oven 180 degrees for 10 minutes before you transfer your mac and cheese to the oven. Before that, there's one more step. You want to add the remaining cheese on top of the mac and cheese. You want to add it on top. I mixed the 3 of them together. You want to be generous with the cheese. This is a cheesy mac and cheese. Yummy, tantalizing. If you've not been eating mac and cheese, please try this recipe and you just fall in love with mac and cheese. So tasty. It's so delicious. So next, I'm going to transfer this to the oven. As I said, 180 degrees Celsius. And you want to use the setting where the heat is up and down. You want to bake this for 30 to 35 minutes until it turns golden brown depending on your oven. After 35 minutes, look at that. Golden brown, yummy, beautiful, tantalizing. The mac and cheese was so tasty. Please try this recipe. Try it and you'll fall in love with mac and cheese. This is how to make mac and cheese, or call macaroni and cheese. So tasty and delicious. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If you're new here, you've not subscribed, please press that button where it says subscribe. Also turn your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you're not going to miss out. Please follow me on Instagram, continentalfood.cake. Thank you so much. I love you all and I will see you in another one. Bye bye.